Iterating over dictionaries using for loops. How does Python recognize that it needs only to read the key from the dictionary? Is key a special keyword, or is it simply a variable?
Key is just a variable name. We'll simply loop over the keys in the dictionary, rather than the keys and values. To loop over both key and value you can use the following. For Python 3.x. For Python 2.x. To test for yourself, change the word key to poop. In Python 3.x, iteritems was replaced with simply items, which returns a set-like view backed by the dict, like iteritems but even better. This is also available in 2.7 as view items. The operation items will work for both 2 and 3, but in 2 it will return a list of the dictionaries, key, value, pairs, which will not reflect changes to the dict that happen after the items call. If you want the 2.x behavior in 3.x, you can call list_d.items.
It's not that key is a special word, but that dictionaries implement the iterator protocol. You could do this in your class, for example see this question for how to build class iterators. In the case of dictionaries, it's implemented at the C level. The details are available in PEP 234. In particular, the section titled Dictionary Iterators. Dictionaries implement a TP_iter slot that returns an efficient iterator that iterates over the keys of the dictionary. This means that we can write, which is equivalent to, but much faster than, as long as the restriction on modifications to the dictionary, either by the loop or by another thread, are not violated. Add methods to dictionaries that return different kinds of iterators explicitly. This means that for x in dict is shorthand for x in dict.turkeys. In Python 3, dict.turkeys, dict.itervalues and dict.iteritems are no longer supported. Use dict.keys, dict.values and dict.items instead.
Iterating over a dict iterates through its keys in no particular order, as you can see here. This is no longer the case in Python 3.6, but note that it's not guaranteed behavior yet. For your example, it is a better idea to use dict.items. This gives you a list of tuples. When you loop over them like this, each tuple is unpacked into k and v automatically. Using k and v as variable names when looping over a dict is quite common if the body of the loop is only a few lines. For more complicated loops it may be a good idea to use more descriptive names. It's a good idea to get into the habit of using format strings.
Key is simply a variable. For Python 2.x. Or better. For Python 3.x.
trovat, to siemore, clase consider subscribing.